Another of the items that separates the design of the centerline upper structure to some of the other ones offered in the industry is the fact that we build the front bulkhead assembly as a complete unit and actually lift it up and place it against the front seal of the flatbed. We use 10 to 12 grade 8 half-inch bolts that attaching the front of the bulkhead to the actual trailer in lieu of the 6 3/4-inch bolts that we're using on the side. Now in maintenance, and not getting too far forward in this, but in maintenance, it's very important. As you can see, each of these bolts are marked. We mark them because we hand torque every one of these to a 300-pound test. We want to make sure that within 6 months of the unit being in operation that you do go back and you check these points and re-torque to 300 pounds. We do the same. Now these are an irregular cone nut that we use on the backside, which is designed to not release, but it's always, in our opinion, it's good to go back and check these after they've been out a bit. One of the items is we first started on our front bulkhead with an FRP panel, which is plywood with a gel on the top. We found that after years 8 or 9 or given a damage to it, that water would get to the plywood and actually start the process of rotting out behind these camtainers. Today, what we use as standard for centerline trailers is the Wabash DuraPlate composite plastics. This is a solid piece of plastic with an overcoat, aluminum overcoat over it. I really believe this front end, it will be many years in usage. We also, in lieu of using the steel sheet that some of the competitors use and pop rivets, we've stayed with throughout the years our actual 1/4-inch camtainers that we put 96 of them in the front to hold this bulkhead on. We've had no problems with the pop rivets coming loose or riveting out through the light sheet of steel that some of the other guys are using on it. We've been very successful with this front end, very successful.